See here, the question is, a vessel is in the form of a hemispherical bowl surmounted by a hollow cylinder of the same diameter. The diameter of the hemispherical bowl is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the total, that is inner, remember, inner surface area of the vessel. Use pi is equal to 22/7, and this is asked in the year 2013 they have asked. But actually what they have given, according to that we have to draw the diagram. So here the question is, a vessel is in a form of a hemispherical bowl. Hemispherical bowl we have. So let me draw one hemispherical bowl. So hemispherical bowl means, you know, like this way you are going to have. So this is our bowl. And next they have given, it is surmounted by. Surmounted means what? What do you mean by surmounted?
Downer.
Yes. Forming a solid on the above of the given solid. So because here they have given a hemispherical bowl. On above this hemispherical bowl there is a surmounted, means it is on the top of that we have one cylinder itself. Like this way we have cylindrical shape because they have a hollow cylindrical of the same diameter. See, this is also very important, same diameter. Means the diameter of the hemisphere and diameter of the cylinder both are the same, both are not different. So what is the value they have given? What is the diameter they have given? So we will see. The diameter of the hemispherical bowl is 14 centimeter. So diameter of this hemispherical bowl is 14 centimeter. Again, it is the thing. 14 centimeter is the diameter, not the radius. So what is the radius? How much? What is the radius then?
7.
Yes, 7. So 14 centimeter is the diameter. So obviously 7 centimeter will become the radius of the hemispherical bowl, because 7 plus 7 is 14. So what is the radius of the cylinder also then? What is the 7 centimeter itself, because here on they have given the same diameter. They have given the word as same diameter. And we will continue further. 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Vessel is 13 centimeter. So this is the total height from here to here. The total height they are talking about, not the height of the cylinder, not the height of the hemisphere. Total height is 13 centimeter. So this is the thing they have mentioned, and they have told us to find the area. That is also find the total surface area. Okay, the total surface area you have to find, that is inner side, not the outside, the inner side. And do you have any difference between inner diameter and outer diameter? So inner surface area and outer surface area, you are going to have any difference, or it will remain same, the area? Yes, it will remain same. It won't be different. Remember, it won't be different. It is given to you to confuse you, because here they have not given any thickness of the vessel, so it will remain same. But here the thing is, they have given the total height. They have not mentioned anywhere what is the height of the cylinder and what is the height of the this one, that is a vessel, that is hemispherical vessel. Also they have not mentioned. Actually we don't want the height for the hemispherical vessel, but we want the height of the cylinder. What is the height of the cylinder? What is the height of the cylinder now? Because if you want to find total surface area, for solution I will go, because the formula is very important. Solution. So what is the total surface area of the vessel? If you want to go for the total surface area of the vessel, the formula will be, what is the total surface area of the vessel will be? Formula, because here we have two figure solids we have, which are hollow. So what is that? Yes, first one, curved surface area of cylinder, because the cylinder is open, hollow, means it is open from inside and it is not covered on the top. It is not covered on the top, it is not covered on the bottom also, it is open. So curved surface area of the cylinder, if it is inside or outside, no problem. Plus we have one more thing, that is hemisphere. So again we have to find the, because hemisphere is also open, it is not closed, it is open from it, and you have the space in it, so it is open, hollow it is. So again we have to go for curved surface area of hemisphere also. So if you will go for the curved surface area of the cylinder and curved surface of the hemisphere, we are going to get the total surface area. It may be in inner or outer, that is not the problem, because both are same. Inner and outer both are same, because they have not mentioned any thickness. But the formula will play very important role. Curved surface area of the cylinder is, how to find the curved surface area of the cylinder?
2 pi RH.
Yes, 2 pi r and h. Okay, 2 pi r h. And here that r I will take it as, it is the radius of the what? Cylinder. So I will take it as RC. Okay, RC I will take because it is the radius of the cylinder. And height I will take h only because the hemisphere it will not have any height. So no problem. Let us write on h as it is, or you can write on HC also, because height of the cylinder we can take, no problem, HC. Pi will not make any difference, it is a constant value. Curved surface of the hemisphere is what? What is the curved surface of the hemisphere?
2 pi r square.
2 pi r square. Yes, so we are going to have the 2 pi r square. So r here we have one more r, so that is the radius of the hemisphere. So I will take the hemisphere, so RH, small h, or r h I will take, so it will be radius of the hemisphere. So now very importantly we have to substitute that value. So let me take the value first. So let me go for the, here I will write down, it will be better if I will write down here. First we will go for the RC value for the cylinder. What is the radius of the cylinder? Here they
7 centimeter.
7
7 centimeter.
No problem, 7 centimeter. What is the height of the cylinder?
6 centimeter.
How it is 6?
6. 13 minus 7.
Yes, 13 is the whole height of the vessel. In the 13 is the whole height of the vessel. We have 7 centimeter as the radius of that hemisphere of the ball. So if it is hemispherical ball is like this way. So if we have like this way hemispherical ball, this is 7 centimeter. Not only that, if you will take cross way also it is 7 centimeter only, because the radius of the hemisphere will not make any change. So from here to here it is 7 centimeter. So from here to here it is 7 centimeter. So what is the height made from here to here? Because total we must get 13. From here to here it is 7. What is the height of this will be? Yes? 6. Because 6 plus 7 is how much? 13. So if this
13.
is 7 centimeter as the radius of the hemispherical ball, the above it will be 6 centimeters. So here I can write the height of the cylinder is nothing but 13 minus 7, that is equals to 6 centimeter for the cylinder. Similarly, we have to find the radius of the, that is what is that? One more, hemisphere. So hemisphere we will go, hemisphere. We have to get the radius. So RH I have already taken. RH is equals to already given 7 centimeter. So anyone have a doubt in this notation? What you have taken? Yes, anyone have a doubt? Okay, so there is no notation over here. So directly we can take it down. Okay, now let us move further. And there is a question now, very good question here. The question is, they have not mentioned anywhere there is a hollow in a hemispherical bowl. They have not given anywhere that is a hemispherical bowl is hollow, but we have taken it as a hollow. Why we have taken the hemispherical bowl as hollow? See here they have given the question as a vessel in the form of a hemispherical bowl. See the word called as a bowl. So bowl, when it will come, how the bowl will be? Whether the bowl will be totally, bowl means you know, like this we will have, the bowl will be closed or it will be open, means hollow. Obviously,
Hollow.
the word here, bowl, is play very important role. Bowl means hollow. Understood? So that hemispherical, so what we have, hemispherical vessel that is having the hollow in it, means there is a space in it. Okay. So very good question it is. No problem. Very good. So next we will go to the next one. So we will substitute the value. So 2 both the side we have. So don't cancel it because this is addition. No? So I will write it down that value 2 into pi. Pi value is 22 by 7. Let us take that pi value 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7. And R value also we know what is the R value is 7 also. And H value we have already found 6. And plus we have 2 into pi value again 22 by 7. And R2, R square means that is the height of the radius of the hemispherical ball, 7 into 7, that's 7 square. So I will write down 7 into 7, it will be better. So now we will do the calculation. 7 and 7 get cancelled. Here 7 and 7 get cancelled. And here when you are doing the calculation, remember we can take the common. 2 and 22 here and 2 and 22 is here, that we can take it common. So 2 into 22 I have taken common. The inside it will remain only 6 and here it will remain 7. Okay, so let us continue with the further. 2 into 22 is 44 and 6 plus 7 is 13. So 13 into 44 if you will do, that is your answer. So 13 4s are 42. Sorry, 13 4s are 52. So 2 is here, 5 is here. Again 13 4s are 52 plus 5 is how much? How much? 57. So it is the volume. It is the volume of hemispherical, that is vessel, that is nothing but we have tried in the last answer. We have everything in a centimeter. So it is a volume. So it will become centimeter square. So we can write it down. So not volume, sorry, total surface area. So it will become centimeter square. So you can write down total surface area of vessel is equals to 572 centimeter square. Anyone have a doubt here?